Voting Theory Class 11 Video 4. In this video I'm just going to do a quick example of approval voting. So let's look at the example. Okay. So here's how I'm conveying the voter profile. The V1, V2, V3, V4, V5, these are the voters. Okay, so there are 5 voters and these are the alternatives. And then simply the yes and the no convey whether they approve or not. Okay, so I'm going to clear up what I just wrote. The yes and the no just convey whether the voters approve or not. And then the way you determine the winner is just by looking at the total number of approvals. So the total approvals. So A, for example, has 3, B has 2, C has 4, and D has 3. So this means that the social ranking would be something like C beats A, which is on the same level as D, which beats B. Okay, and again I could have written this as C beats D, same level as A, which beats B. Okay, because A and D got the same number of points, they come on the same level in the social ranking. One thing to note about approval voting is it's very susceptible to tactical voting. Okay, this is very susceptible to tactical voting. So for example, if the voter V3, their preference, like their personal preference was D, A, B, C. That's their personal preference, okay? And it's consistent because they only voted to approve D, okay? So if this is their personal preference, they could try and tactical vote to like get A to end up higher overall. And what they could do is simply change, like lower their standards and now approve of A. So they just lower their standards and now they approve of A, which means A now has 4 approvals. Okay, so the new social ranking is A draws with C, which beats D and it beats C. So this is tactical voting because now A is higher up in the ranking, which is what voter V3 wanted. Okay, so this approval voting system is very susceptible to tactical voting. Okay, that's the end of this example. That's the end of this video.